in 2017, Earth had a strange and unexpected encounter with something mysterious from deep space. We didn't realize it at the time, but the object that passed us was unlike anything we had ever seen. It wasn't a typical asteroid or comet, and it came from far beyond our solar system, from another star entirely. Fast forward to 2025, and we are witnessing this phenomenon again with a new, equally bizarre visitor approaching the sun. Get ready for some shocking discoveries that might change everything we thought we knew about space. Let's rewind to 2017. We were introduced to Oumuamua, the first ever interstellar object we discovered. It wasn't just an asteroid or a comet from within our solar system. No, it came from another star. It traveled for millions of years through deep space, a vast void beyond our sun's influence. When it finally entered our solar system, scientists were initially puzzled, mistaking it for just another comet. But upon closer inspection, things took a strange turn. Oumuamua was moving way too fast for it to be an ordinary comet. It was speeding at 87 kilometers per second, far faster than the escape velocity from our sun, which would be around 42 kilometers per second for an object to leave the solar system. This unusual velocity put Oumuamua on what's known as a hyperbolic trajectory. That means it was traveling so fast, it wasn't bound by the sun's gravity. After passing close to the sun, it accelerated away from the solar system, defying all expectations. Now here's where it gets even weirder. Most space rocks, like asteroids, are made of rock, and when observed from Earth, they typically appear as faint, dim specks of light in the sky. But Oumuamua was different. For one, it was bright. In fact, it was way more reflective than we would expect from an ordinary asteroid. And it didn't behave like one either. As it passed by, the light reflected from it didn't remain steady. It pulsated, dimming and brightening every 7 hours. This pulsing suggested that Oumuamua wasn't just a rock. It might be a long, thin object, possibly even shaped like a cigar or a saucer. So why was it behaving like this? Was this the first sign of an extraterrestrial spacecraft, a probe sent from a distant alien civilization? While this theory is fun to entertain, it's not the most likely answer. Scientists have considered many possibilities, but the object's unusual acceleration is what makes it so puzzling. We've never seen an object like this before, and the unexplained change in speed was a major red flag. Maybe Oumuamua wasn't just another space rock. Maybe there's more to it than we know. Normally, comets accelerate as they pass by the sun. This happens because their icy bodies sublimate, turning from solid ice directly into gas, creating a stream of particles that push the comet forward like a thruster. But Oumuamua didn't have a visible tail or a comet's signature gas release. It showed no signs of being a comet at all. Instead, it moved like a space vehicle, one that had somehow been propelled by an internal force. Was it a spacecraft with hidden thrusters? The mystery still lingers. Astronomers even speculated that the object could be a fragment of something much larger, possibly even a nitrogen ice fragment ejected from another star system, like a piece of a broken planet. This object would have behaved just like Oumuamua, accelerating away from the sun without any visible signs of a comet. The trajectory of Oumuamua pointed to the star Vega, located in the Lyra constellation. Although we don't have any concrete evidence that it came from Vega, it's interesting to note that the object came from that general direction, which is also where our solar system is currently heading. It's like we both hit each other in passing. This link to Vega, combined with Oumuamua's speed and behavior, has led some to speculate about its true nature. Maybe it's an ancient artifact traveling across the stars for millions of years. But Oumuamua didn't hang around for long. It flew past Earth at a distance of about 24 million kilometers, which, in space terms, is relatively close. Still, the object was moving so fast that we couldn't get much of a close-up look at it. By the time we detected it, it had already passed through and was on its way out of the solar system, leaving us with more questions than answers. Fast forward to 2019, and another interstellar object was spotted. Borisov, unlike Oumuamua, Borisov behaved more like a traditional comet, complete with a tail and a coma. While it wasn't as mysterious as Oumuamua, its discovery only deepened the mystery. How could two such bizarre objects come from different parts of the galaxy in such a short period? It comes three, I/Atlas, discovered in mid-2025. This one is different. For one, it's massive, estimated to be up to 20 kilometers across, much larger than Oumuamua or Borisov, and it's moving even faster. But the most intriguing part, Atlas is coming from an entirely different direction than the previous visitors, possibly from the thick disk of our galaxy. This means it could be ancient, potentially older than our entire solar system. What's even more fascinating is that, unlike Oumuamua, which passed close to Earth, Atlas will miss us completely. It's passing by Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, but will remain too far from Earth to be directly studied. Still, we have time to learn about Atlas as it continues its journey through the solar system. Unlike previous interstellar objects, Atlas gives us a real chance to observe something truly spectacular. While its closest approach will be to Mars, the opportunity to study it is still available for a few more months. The object's trajectory and massive size suggest it could be an ancient relic of the universe, maybe even 7 billion years old. This makes it one of the oldest objects we've ever had the chance to study. And with its visible coma, Atlas is more like a traditional comet, unlike Oumuamua, which lacked any visible tail or outgassing. As Atlas approaches, the question arises, could these objects be alien probes sent to observe our solar system? While this is a fun theory, it's unlikely. The reality is probably much simpler, but no less fascinating. Whether these objects are fragments of ancient comets or natural interstellar visitors, they offer a glimpse into the distant corners of the universe. And maybe, just maybe, they're telling us more about our place in the cosmos than we ever expected. We are looking ahead to the future of space exploration. The study of interstellar objects like Oumuamua, Borisov, and Atlas opens up incredible possibilities for understanding space, the galaxy, and even our own origins. While we may never know the full story behind these mysterious visitors, they give us a chance to explore new frontiers, ask bigger questions, and push the boundaries of our knowledge. As we continue to study Atlas and future interstellar objects, one thing is clear: the universe is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. Lastly, if you're as fascinated by interstellar objects as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into space mysteries. Stay tuned as we continue to track these cosmic wanderers and uncover secrets from beyond our solar system.